What if I told you that in 2026, one of the biggest wealth opportunities isn't real estate, stocks, or even traditional tech? It's artificial intelligence. Right now, entrepreneurs around the world are building six-figure and even seven-figure businesses using AI tools, often with small teams or sometimes completely solo. In today's video, I'm going to show you three powerful ways people are making money with AI in 2026 and how you can position yourself to take advantage of this rapidly growing digital economy. Welcome to Cube Capital TV, where we talk about funding, entrepreneurship, and strategies to help businesses grow. AI consulting. The first big opportunity is AI consulting for businesses. Here's the reality. Most small and medium-sized businesses know they need AI, but they don't know where to start. Companies are trying to figure out how to automate marketing, how to streamline customer service, how to use AI for data analysis, and how to increase productivity. This is where AI consultants come in. Entrepreneurs are now helping businesses install AI tools like chatbots, automation systems, and AI-driven marketing platforms. And the best part, many AI consultants charge $1,000 to $10,000 per project depending on the complexity. The opportunity isn't necessarily building the AI technology, it's helping companies apply AI to solve real problems. AI lead generation businesses. The second major opportunity is AI-powered lead generation. AI tools can now analyze massive amounts of data to identify potential customers, ideal business clients, high-value prospects. Entrepreneurs are using AI to generate qualified leads for industries like real estate, finance, insurance, consulting, and startup funding. For example, a lead generation agency might use AI to find business owners who are actively seeking capital or growth funding. They then sell those leads to lenders, investors, or service providers. Some companies are generating tens of thousands of dollars per month just by connecting the right clients with the right solutions. AI education and digital products. The third opportunity is AI education and digital products. People everywhere want to learn how to use AI for business, how to automate workflows, how to create content faster, and how to generate new income streams. Entrepreneurs are creating online courses, coaching programs, AI training workshops, and digital toolkits. These digital products can scale globally because once the content is created, it can be sold over and over again. This is one reason the AI education market is exploding in 2026. The biggest takeaway is this: AI is not just about technology, it's about opportunity. The entrepreneurs who win in this new economy will be the ones who combine innovation, business strategy, and the ability to solve real problems using AI. If you're an entrepreneur looking for capital, funding strategies, or ways to scale your business, make sure you subscribe to Cube Capital TV. We're bringing you insights, funding strategies, and tools to help you grow in the modern economy. And remember, the future of business belongs to those who learn how to leverage technology, not fear it.